Hello, hello. Oh, she wants to get some rice. She's making good khmer dish. Homemade. On the rice paddies. I'm glad I wore shoes. That's the rice. It's ready.
Yeah.
It's not minute rice though.
This one rice is not so good because
Don't take your arm off.
it's not this one not so like this because maybe you have to
Once they get the rice, they lay it out here to dry in the sun, and it gets you guys can see a little rice there, and they got to be dehusked, but they dry them out in the sun. Was she making fish and bait? She's selling fish and bait? Fish and bait?
It's not just to make from here.
Oh.
Yeah, just to make from here, and already when come back home and easy for cook.
Oh.
Yeah, because and when you don't do make like that first, and then when they go to house and broken.
Oh,
and broken small,
stinky fish,
yeah, because,
basically.
The fish is small.
Oh.
Yeah. When
Not like the big catfish.
Yeah, it's small fish, and you don't do to make like before, and go to room and how and broken like small no go before the baby like that.
Yeah, she got a lot of the net fishing. Yeah.
It can and maybe she can sell and then but something look there. Look. Yeah, when you want to buy, it can sell also. Look yang much bang. Oh, 1 kilo, 10,000 real, like $2.50 for 1 kilo.
That's quite a bit actually for a little money.
Yeah, for very
maybe good in salad, maybe salad.
Yeah, for make very good. I want to buy half kilo to cook in the room.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to buy half kilo, and then I go to do Cambodia called kwap. Yeah, kwap con tray.
Cotton try.
Yeah, kwap con tray. Very good. And then I can make and then I will show how to do in Khmer food.
Excellent. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, very good, and with the spicy pork. So, wow.
Oh, happy.
Oh, when I talk, I want.
It makes your mouth water. Cute. It's very tedious work. Very tedious. Yeah, I gotta cut all the heads, tails clean. Yeah, very tedious. Lots of fish.
Half kilo.
Half kilo.
I go to do Cambodia food and name kwap with the spicy and so and do like barbecue. Look old, not young. When old or when young, good for eat, but old, it's not good.
Bad.
Yeah. like when a lot of water, like the raining a lot and look very clean and can eat this one.
The stagnant water.
Yeah. Look at the
Oh, yeah, these are the local guys just hanging out. Oh, you got Cambodian whiskey. Nice, good day. This is what they do here, guys. Just on the side of the road here, they just cooking up the fish. Little small campfire, traditional. Yeah, very good. Yeah, right out here in the rice paddies, guys. They catch these fish.
Yeah, I want drink with them.
Yeah, some cold whiskey, Cambodia.
Yeah, whiskey Cambodia. And that's why
You guys hear that? Whiskey Cambodia. My favorite pruno. The lights here.
And honey, take me to buy more.
Okay.
I tell him go to buy beer. One.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're gonna hang out today.
Yeah, with drink with whiskey Cambodia, and then with the beer also. Enjoy this. Enjoy
Nice.
And then have the mango.
Oh, mango lady right there.
Yeah, happy mango. Like me, whiskey Cambodia, and then Cambodian and beer.
This is how you do cups. Show them how to do cups with a hatchet.
In plow. And this one and the class and for drink in riverside, countryside.
Just make it out of a plastic bottle.
Yeah, big.
I love it.
And then you can put whiskey Cambodia.
Oh,
Hey,
whiskey
like
Cambodia. All right.
This one is whiskey Cambodian, so
Oh.
smell very good. Okay, can looking, can see me I try. Yeah.
All right, whiskey Cambodia.
Yeah, whiskey
Homemade
Cambodia.
pruno for those of you guys.
Yeah.
Hey.
Number 2. Very good. Yeah. Number 1 tonight give me power.
We got the beer delivery guy right here. Thank you, brother. Alkan. Guys, just see in Cambodia, everybody's so friendly. You just start talking, and next thing you know, they lay down the rug, and they got whiskey Cambodia. He goes up to the village, grabs a case of beer, and now we're gonna hang out, do some fishing, and relaxing. Joe Moy, brother. He wants to just have the whiskey Cambodia only. Okay, guys, the meat's ready. The fish, fresh from the riverside here. They're getting it ready to eat a little roadside picnic. Hey, whiskey Cambodia. Whiskey Cambodia.
Whiskey Cambodian, but this transferred.
Oh.
Whiskey Cambodian over there.
Yeah. Yeah, new friends out here on the side of the road. Yay. All right. Yeah, good day out here, guys. So Whiskey Cambodia.
Whiskey Cambodia, my name
Yeah, like this. Got another fire going for some more fish. Come on. Come on. Oh, hey. Water buffalo cooling off. crossing the road here. Got a bunch of water buffalo right here. We're riding down the road and we're surrounded. Only in Cambodia. Look at this. They're all just hanging out doing Cambodia things. Trying to cool off, go swimming. Did not know they could swim, but now I see they can. Then we got this one here cooling off. Hey brother, how are you? Yeah, just relaxing. They're getting cool air. Yeah, cool water. Good day for that. Safe travels, brother. Way out here. You see Pram Kram in the distance there, the hill. Yeah, I was like, didn't know what to think on the water buffalo. I was like, well, that's pretty far out, man. I guess we're not going anywhere. But now they've passed, so we're gonna go check it. We're looking for flowers. She's got some nice dishes she's gonna be cooking here. So, yeah, just meeting people along the way here. Traditional fishing boat here in Cambodia. Got little Linda up here looking for opportunities for some flowers. Let's go see what she's got going on. We're looking for flowers for this cooking recipe, and Linda says we can't get out there in the water because there's a lot of leeches. And they're not far out there. If you guys can see, small flower, but she needs big, but there's a lot of leeches, and so she doesn't want to deal with the leeches. I don't blame her. She's a Riverside girl. She's pretty smart, like a damn American Indian. If you guys look right here, this is new rice, then just been planted in the rice paddy. Brand new, evergreen. Looks like a great lawn until it gets tall. But not when they're new.
Huh?
They're still, even though the leaves are old, you say?
It's no, this one and still young, but old and color like this.
The
color,
yellow.
yeah, color like yellow, and people can eat this one. Cambodian called kawan.
Ah.
Yeah, kawan. And flower, very small, very beautiful flower. This one not flower. I see the black one eat me.
Oh yeah, she's scared of the leeches.
Maybe over there.
Yeah. The little mound out there. I think she's gonna try to walk to. Need like a board or something to lay over. Here's one right here, flower right here. You want to leave those flowers here? Watch for the anacondas. Yay! Persistence always wins.
I like it like it to me, you know.
And let's see what little Linda has here for us to show us here. Ah, look at that. Wow. Mini fish.
Yeah, and then
Wow, yeah, some good ones.
Cambodia fish and Riverside countryside, very good.
Very good, yeah.
Very good. Good.
This is a bird's eye view of how the locals do.
People do an amazing. Take the water, go and over there, and then we'll see fish here. And the fish people take from here.
So they transfer the water over,
and go over there.
and then they lower it, and then they can grab the fish easy.
Yeah, sure. And you see the water over there?
Yeah.
People take the water from here, go there, and then the fish here, people take the fish.
Oh, I see that. Yeah, they're using the tractor to pump. Let's go check that out. This is what she's talking about here, guys, with the they use the front of the tractor as a khmer tractor to pump the motor to pump the water. This is how they do. Look at this. This comes over here. It's a pretty neat little concept they got here. We're gonna go have some beers up here at the next village and see if we can't chit chat with some people and find out more. Beer.
Yeah, beer.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'll take one.
Yeah. So much.
Stop off in a little market here, a little village, and get a little beer and some water here. Relax for a few minutes. Hot out today for being winter. Oh, nice. It's not very cold, but okay. She has eyes like an eagle and a brain like a computer. And this is what she's seen from the road. A recipe for cook. As she eats dry noodles. Not cooked. No boil water needed. Oh, they're that good. Got spider webs hanging all over me. Oh, there it is. 2. Wow. Lucky lady. This is how you harvest for dinner in Cambodia. What do you got?
I have 3.